Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. Today we are installing an Apple TV 4 in this BMW 328. Now, when you go to install these, sometimes there's some space under the head unit. However, with the Apple TV 4s, they're so big, there's just not many spaces you can put it. Now in the F30, there's a nice cavity right here where you can mount things like a huge Apple TV. Now in order to get to this location over here, we're gonna have to remove the glove box. So we're gonna show you how. All right, so what we're going to do is begin by removing this panel. So this just pulls up like this. And then what you can do is just get the weather stripping, pull this down and out of the way. Then what you can do is just remove this piece of trim. So as you can see, there's just this hook. It hooks in the back, and then there's a few tabs right in the front. Once you have that panel removed, you want to remove this T25. Next, you're going to need a 10mm socket. There are two 10mm nuts under here. Looks just like that. Once you've done that, you just pull this plastic tray down. Now some cars have a 12-volt socket right here, so just disconnect that if yours has it. And then the other connection is just a light, and then this whole piece will come right out. Looks just like this. Now with that plastic removed, you can see a T20 up here. Now we need to get to this. The problem is, because of the angle, you can't get to it straight. So what you need to do is remove this T30 and also a T30 on the other side and gently lower the airbag down. All right, so let's take a T30. And right now our battery is disconnected. Just a side note, BMW uses this industrial Loctite on here, so it's a little bit difficult to get out. Okay, then what you can do is just lower it down very slowly. And I'm just gonna unclip it from up here. There's this little plastic fastener. And then just relieve the tension, don't unplug it. Since those are removed, we can get access to these T20s. Then there's 4 hidden T20s. So when you open your glove box, you'll see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So remove those. Then under your glove box, there's a T20 right here. And one over here. Then once you've done all of that, just take the glove box, just very carefully, just pull it out. Just like this. There are going to be some connections, so just remove these. With the glove box removed, you can see we have access to this huge cavity where we can mount our Apple TV. And that is how easy it is to remove a glove box from a BMW F30. Again, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. Be sure to check us out at kiesmotorsports.com for all your BMW retrofit and performance needs. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.